anxious.
You want our kid to be anxious?
No, no, of course not. Just describing myself.
You like books.
It's true. I do, but is there a section for that? I see favorites, animal, favorite person, education,